Welcome, my dear student, to digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 2, that is related to polynomials. And today I am going to tell you how to use the factor theorem to find out any value. Consider I am taking equation number 3, that is find the value of k if x minus 1 is the factor of px in the following cases. So it is very clear, it is given that x minus 1 is a factor. If any number is a factor, that means I can substitute the value of this a. So let's see how to solve. First question we have px is equals to x square plus x plus k. We are interested to find out the value of k. So in solution, our first task to write, let p is given to us. So you can say given px is equals to x square plus x plus k. Second thing that I need to write here, what is the value of gx from here? So it is given to us gx is a factor of px, or I can say factor gx is given to us, it is x minus 1. So from here you need to put gx is equals to 0, or you can say x minus 1 is equals to 0, and you will get x value is equals to 1. So next task to find out the value of k is substitute this value in the above equation. So we need to, which implies p of 1. P of 1 must be equals to 0 because it is a factor. If any number is a factor, so after substituting in the polynomial it must be equals to 0. So let's substitute first. After substituting, let's see. First I need to write 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 plus k. It must be equals to 0 by this definition. If it is a factor of a gx. So by definition you can see it become 1 plus 1 plus k is equals to 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So k value is minus 2. How it came? You can see, you can write a 2 plus k is equals to 0, and from here shift this to this side, you will get k is equals to minus 2. So once again see what I did. First write the question. Second, px value given to you. This is a factor of this one. So definitely if you are calculating x value from here and substituting in this, so you will get answer 0 by definition, or you can say by using factor theorem. By using factor theorem. This is the definition of factor theorem. So after substituting the value of 1 here, we will write all this is equals to 0. By using factor theorem, substitute, and 1 plus 1 become 2. Substitute, then shift this 2 toward your next side. You will get k is equals to minus of 2. This is your right answer. Similarly, I am going to tell you one more part so that it become more clear to you. I am taking your next part, that is, in next part we have okay. So our next part is, that is part number 2. Part number 2 we have given 2x square plus kx plus under root 2. So in this case, once again we need to write px, that is given to us 2x square plus kx and under root 2. Secondly, x minus 1 is fixed, that is a factor of this one. Similar condition I need to apply. Find x by using remainder theorem. By substituting it must be equals to 0. So now let's see by substituting. 2 into 1 raised to power 2. Here put 1. K into 1 plus under root 2. So from here, first you can see you need to shift this under root 2 to next side as well as this 2. So I am shifting 1 by 1. 2 1 j 2. K as such and is equals to minus under root 2. Secondly, you need to shift this 2 from here. So this 2 is in plus, you will get under root 2 minus 2. This is your right answer, and you can see easily you can calculate a value of k. When it is given already, it is a factor. So start writing in this way, then write factor, find x value, substitute in the given equation, it must be equals to 0 by using factor theorem. If any number is a factor of polynomial, so after substituting the value of this, it must be equals to 0. So substitute and find the value of k. I hope it is